Hello friends, my name is Hamid. I'm working on a Zephyr vent hood. Here's the model. That's the model number AK8300A6. Customers' complaint is that the lights are working, but the display flashes F, and the motors are not working when this fan switch is pressed in. The model number is also located here. To fix that F error code or that flashing F, you're gonna press and hold the minus button for 5 seconds. You're gonna press it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After pressing this for 5 seconds, we'll reset the fault code here. So the reason we are getting F flashing here, because these filters needs to be cleaned and the unit is fixed.